outside. Get over here now. No, it's wild. Get over here now.
There it is right there. Well, come on, Mr. Page. Stay inside, yeah, stay inside. Take the shot, mister.
Well, heck, Kay, why don't you take the shot?
Take the shot, sir.
I haven't shot a gun in years.
Take the shot.
Oh, I broke my glasses.
Yeah, stay inside. Don't touch that dog.
Yeah, it's
All right.
just as bad dead as it is alive.
Alright, guys.